Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create and customize a store on Shopify for digital music and sound effects business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the search. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their product. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Now you can skip this if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. And now after you choose an account, now you can wait a few seconds for creating your account and building the store. So the first thing you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes. So here you can change the themes if you want and customize them. So here you can select any theme you want. For example, I'm gonna keep this theme. So just click add and do it to install the theme, and after this you can publish it and customize it on your homepage store. So now wait a few seconds. So now after you click on publish and publish it, you can click here customize and it will take you to your homepage store. So the first thing here we have the size. You can change the size of your homepage. You can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So that's it. I'm gonna keep it like this, like a desktop site. Here this is the settings where you can design your site if you want. So first here we have the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. Here you can show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. Also you can turn this on or to rotate announcements. Here you can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's move on to the header. The announcements, here you can change the text. You can also pass a link or search for something like collections or whatever you want to search. I'm gonna select all collections. So that's it. Now let's move on to the header. So here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu or remove it. Here you can change the desktop menu type. Also you can change the sticky header, and you can show separation line. You can change the color scheme and the menu color scheme. Here you can enable language selector and country and region selector. Here you can edit the mobile logo position. You can edit the spacing and the section pattern, the top and the bottom. So that's it. Now you can edit the theme settings. So click here and you can enable search suggestions. Here you can edit the card type. If you want to put your social media links, your Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or wherever you want to add here. So now let's move on to the logo. So here you can select image from your library. Of course you have to select it from your library. So just for example, let's search on it on the browser. um, Digital music and and sound effects logo, like this. So for example, I'm gonna choose this just for example. Of course you have to upload it from your library. So this is your logo right now. You can change it at any time you want. You can explore free images from the free image library. Here you can edit the vertical offset. You can edit the desktop logo width. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next step is here you can generate the heading of the image banner. You can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Digital music and sound effects, like this. You can choose one of these suggestions. Here you can adjust the heading size. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label. You can edit the first button link, and you can use outline button style. If you already add the second image, you can add the second button label and the second button link, and also you can use outline button style. So for example, let's add some image from browser. Here you have two images. You can select the first image from the browser, and the second image you can select it from your library. So for example, let's choose something from here. So for example, I'm gonna choose this just for example. The second image you can upload it from your library, or for here you can edit the image overlay opacity. You can change the banner height. Also you can change the desktop contents position. You can show content on desktop. Here if you want to change the desktop content alignment, you can edit the animations, the image behavior. You can edit the mobile content alignment. Here you can turn this on, stack image on mobile, and also you can show container on mobile. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section, future collection. So you can generate the text. Just click here, describe what this text is about: digital music and sound effects business. So like this. And now you can choose one of these suggestions, for example this. Here you can change the heading size. You can also describe more on the description. For example, digital sound effects. Here you can edit the form of the text. You can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. Also you can change the collection. Here you can make product full width. You can enable view all if collection has more product than shown. Here you can change this view all style. You can enable carousel on desktop. Here you can edit the product card and the image ratio and the image shape. Also here you can show second image on hover. You can show vendor. You can show product rating. Also you can enable quick add button. You can enable swipe on mobile. Here you can edit the section padding, the top and the bottom. So that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here and select what kind of section you want to add on your home page here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section on the website, the footer section. So you can change the color scheme. You can edit the email sign up section. You can show email sign up. You can generate the heading. Also you can enable follow on shop. You can turn this on, show social media icons. So that's it. Now let's see if this is actually done from designing website. Just save this and let's get back to the dashboard. So here after you customize your online store and after you add your first products, now for example you can name your store. Click here and type any name you want here. You can add your store phone and also you can change your store email. So that's it. Now let's save this. And after you customize online store, after you add the custom domain and add the sharing details, just launch your online store now and publish it. In here you can pick a plan. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your store on Shopify for digital music and sound effects business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.